friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve hotspot problem on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you can see the setting option. So friends, here you have to move on this setting. When you move on the setting, from here inside the setting you can see this screen, and from here you have to scroll on the down. When you're scrolling on the down, here you can see the connection and sharing option. So friends, here you have to tap on the connection and sharing. When you move on the connection and sharing, inside the connection and sharing you can see the screen, and from here again you have to scroll on the down. When you're scrolling down, here you can see the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth option. Okay, so here you have to tap the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, inside the reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth you can see some few points. Okay, Wi-Fi mobile data Bluetooth, it just included. Okay, it can solve the network problem, hotspot problem, internet problem. Okay, it can solve every network. Okay, you just need to follow the steps. What you need to do is start to fix it. To fix the hotspot problem, you can see on the down reset setting, just click on reset setting and click on OK. Here you can see some important note also. Okay, it says reset all networks. It means it will solve every network. Okay, any network that you are facing the problem, it will solve every networks, all the networks. Okay, you just need to tap on OK, and this will solve your this will fix your problem. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.